right. If you are wanting to log into Canvas, this is how you're going to do it. You're going to start at aisd.net. That is our home district site. You're going to log in through Students. And you're going to get a screen that looks like this, and you're going to log into Canvas. And you will probably get something that asks you to log in through Rapid Identity. When you get to this screen, you are going to enter your first 5 letters of your last name plus your student ID code, and then whatever your password is. Okay? Because I'm a teacher, mine looks a little bit different, but you will use your normal first 5 letters plus your student ID of your first 5 letters of your last name plus your student ID, and then your regular password that you would normally log in with. It's going to show you your Rapid Identity portal. You're going to click on Canvas, and it's going to take you to what's called your dashboard screen. Okay? And on here, you're going to have all of the classes that your student is, or that you, or as a student, or your student, if you're a parent, will have. And when I see the class that I want to log into, I just click on that card. And so, like, this is my math class, and so I would have, this is my math teacher's homepage. There's a video of her explaining how everything works. There are syllabus and modules. There are buttons to take me to places. And I can click on modules to take me to my assignment. And then most teachers have their assignments where it's linked to that day's learning. Okay? So notice how Ms. Jones has it as September 14th through the 18th. And so I can just scroll down and see what is happening on each day. And I start at the top with the date, and I just start moving down until I finish with that date. Once I hit September 15th, or I hit the bottom. Today is September 15th, so I would look at this page, I would submit this, I would submit this, and I would submit this. And then I'm done. Okay? If you have any questions, make sure to reach out. Because we can also try to help you if you have specific questions.